go do a trick and see what happens. Stupid fuck.
Okay.
You are the stupidest fuck. Dude, you're retarded. Come on. Please, die, wait.
Dude, we need like a weight to go up.
Go grab that piece of plywood.
Do it. That's saving a little thing of time.
Go!
No.
Oh my god.
Here, use this one. This one's so much heavier. Dude, use this one.
Then use it. Go. Is it already recording? God damn. You're dumb.
Dude, it's like super dry right in the center of our mouth.
Well then put it there. No, put it where it was coming out. It wasn't coming out right there. It was coming out of the other place.
No, it's coming out right there.
No,
I was looking
it was
at
coming
it.
out of the other side.
Dude, I saw it giant. You're fine. See?
No, it's coming out right there.
It's coming out there.
God.
Lift it up and look at it.
Put something else on there. Oh, dude, that's so sketch.
It's like death in an instant. We're going.
Hold on, dude.
Close that door.
Oh, this is it. What isn't ghetto that we do? Honestly?
Oh, the curve.
We need to improvise. We need to skate.
Huh?
Hell no. The curve is even sketchier.
Here we go. I'm going to try it out.
Yeah, don't try it out that way, retard.
I see you from the sky, and I wonder how
like
long
no-
it'll take me to get home. I wait for an hour or so at the carousel. I have a cigarette to pass the time, 'cause the traffic's hell.
Nailed it.
I don't want anything more than to see your face when you open the door. You make me beans on toast and a nice cup of tea, and we'll get a Chinese and watch TV. Tomorrow we'll take the dog for a walk, and in the afternoon then maybe we'll talk. I'll be exhausted, so I'll probably sleep, and we'll get a Chinese and watch TV.
Dude, I'm not.
You wipe the tears from my eyes, and you say that all that it takes is a phone call. I cry at the thought of being alone, and then I wonder how long it'll take till I'm home again. I don't want anything more but I'll send you a postcard when I get
I need
there.
another coat of wax.
I don't want anything more than to see your face when you open the door. You make me beans on toast and a nice cup of tea. We'll get a Chinese and watch TV. Tomorrow I'll take the dog for a walk, and in the afternoon then maybe we'll talk. I'll be exhausted so I'll probably sleep, and we'll get a Chinese and watch TV.
Whoa there, buddy.
I'll take it.
Leave the basket alone. I've never even tried that on anything. Whoa.
Very impressive.
I don't wanna hurt you cause I
Whoa,
don't
bam.
think it's a virtue, but you and I have come to our end. Believe me when I tell you that I never wanna see you again.
Everybody
And please can you stop calling cause it's getting really boring.
Dude,
I've
stop,
told
you're
you
gonna
I
break
don't
it.
wanna be friends.
Don't like broken.
Believe me when I tell you that I never wanna see you again. How on earth could I be any more obvious?
So good. No, I dropped the camera. I dropped the camera.
I don't understand what it is that you're chasing after. But it makes me really sad to hear you sound so desperate, it just makes it harder. I can see how it's confusing, it could be considered using when I call you up straight out of the blue. But I don't understand what else a girl in my positions to do. Now I know you feel betrayed, but it's been weeks since I got laid. This doesn't mean that I don't think you're a fool, but I don't understand what else a girl in my positions to do.
Switch up them every time.
How on earth could I be any more obvious? It never really did, and now it's never gonna happen with the two of us. I don't understand what it is that you're chasing after. But it makes me really sad to hear you sound so desperate, it just makes it harder.
I'll go over with another. Whoa, man.
I know it's rather ugly cause I know that you still love me, and this isn't any kind of excuse. But I don't love you. I don't love you. How on earth could I be any more obvious? It never really did, and now it's never gonna happen with the two of us. I don't understand what it is that you're chasing after. But it makes me really sad to hear you sound so desperate, it just makes it harder.
Wait, this is Ian. That's mine. Dude, Ian! Why did you do that? Of course, it would be Ian to break the rail, right? It's always Ian who breaks everything.
Isn't that broken?
What? It's. Are you kidding me? It's. You're kidding.
Just move.
Cause you left me police safe chalk line, tequila shots in the dark scene of the crime. Suburban living with a feeling that I'm giving up everything for you. Oh, 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 how was I supposed to know that you were over me? I think that I should go. Something's telling me to leave, but I won't. Cause I'm damned if I do you, damned if I don't. take you home. One stupid call and I end up alone. You're made up, dressed up, messed up.